So our next topic is storage class. This is very important. A bit of a definition is storage class is related to the place where the variables are stored and with their scope of use. There are different types of storage classes. There are 4 types of storage classes. This auto, static, external and global variables. Here I have mentioned 2. Again I will mention other 2. So automatic storage class. So auto is default value is garbage value, then storage, computer memory, RAM, scope and life. Within the block, as this variable is local variable of a block. Just within the block means within the parenthesis, this will be life. Then is static storage. This is very important. So its default value is 0 because in programs it will come as like static int I. So we have to know that I value is already 0 and then increment whatever the program is, so you have to do the rest part. So default value is 0, then storage is computer memory, RAM and scope. The static value persists among the same function calling. If we change the static variable, then that change will persist to the next function call. So this is very important because I struggled with it. Literally I struggled with understanding the static variable. Doing understanding is okay, but when doing a big questions and all gate questions, I struggled. I searched here and there, this book, net and all, but understood it finally really well. So I'll make this thing very clear. So I will do a lot of examples because PYQs are there a lot. So I will do, don't need to worry about this. So next. See here, there are 2, automatic and static. The previous thing I mentioned, I have taken the program and changed the automatic keyword is auto and static keyword is static. I forgot to mention that. So now first coming to auto, then we will start with void main function. So we will go to the function calling here, function void auto int. If we don't use this auto, it will be auto only. So nothing special about this. So auto int I equals to 2. So printf I 2 will be printed. 2 is incremented to 3. But this value doesn't persist to next program. So suppose I 102 is incremented to 3. But again in next function here we will assign this value to 2 again. So this 3 is erased. So again 2 will be printed. Same thing happened. So 2 will be printed. But here comes static. Same thing. Just we have changed the keyword from auto to static. So function calling. So always my suggestion is write the wherever it is mentioned static, write static I and here the address, and whatever it is mentioned or if it's not mentioned 0. I will always suggest you to write this static because other variable it will not change, but static will change throughout the program. So static int I equals to 0, printf I. So 2 will be printed. I plus plus 2 is incremented to 3. But see, the thing is static here, so it will persist through whole program. The function, the value is changed. It will be changed like when calling the second function, it will remain 3 only. It will not change back to 2 because static is there. So 3 in printf 3 I plus plus. 3 is incremented to 4. Then again next 4. Sorry, function static int I that is done. Printf I is 4 and it's incremented to 5, but hence nothing is there. So 2, 3, 4. So you can see the same program is there just change of keyword, we will get two different values. So our next storage class is register storage class. So register keyword is also registered. So default value is garbage. Storage, it is stored in computer registers. Scope and life within the block as the automatic variable. Lifetime is within the block. So storage class is stored in registers. Suppose I am telling you, like we want to use this pen, this single pen, and I am carrying a bag, but I have this book pocket. I can keep it here. So whenever it is needed, I can take it out and write something. But if I increase this pen to a lot of pens, I cannot keep all the pens in my book pocket. So I have to keep some in my backpack. So same thing happens with storage. This storage class register. If a variable is used very frequently, if those variables are stored in computer registers, then accessing time from the computer registers will be very less. Hence, the time consumption is less. So same thing I told you. Like if the pen is stored in register, so the register is my book pocket. So if it is used frequently, so I use frequently, so I can have this. But after a certain limit, like so many pens, I can all we I am using, but I cannot store everything in my book pocket, hence register. So I have to store something in my backpack, that is our RAM. So I have written this limitations also. If we want to use so many registered variables in our program, then the computer will not give the permission. We know computer uses computer registers for its own use also. That is, beyond a certain limit, the registered variable will be stored in computer RAM. So here, just a simple program to tell you about the register in a detailed way. So a program is taken, void main register in type. By using this keyword register, I am specifically telling the computer to store the I variable to registers, not computer RAM CPU. So I equals to 1, I less than equals to 100, I plus plus, printf I. So 1, 2, 3 dot 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 up till 100 it will be printed. So this part is very easy. Just because of this keyword, the variable I is stored in register. The last storage class is external storage class. So here the keyword is external. Default value is 0. So remember the activation record. So SV and GB I have told you both have 0 as their initial value if nothing is mentioned. So storage is computer memory, RAM, scope and life. The scope of external variable is within the whole program. So any external values changed by one function can be seen by other function in the program. Suppose, let's take an example here. Extern int I. Suppose we don't use this extern keyword, then also this program will be as it is, because outside main and everything, if something is initialized, then it is if not, then it is external only, external variable only. So let's write it. So void main increment. So let's go to this function. Increment I is there 1. So 100. Increment void printf I. 1 is printed. I plus plus. 1 is incremented to 2. Then decrement. We will go to the decrement part function. Printf I. 2 is printed and I minus minus. 2 is decremented to 1. Then again increment is called. So we'll go to the increment part, and I is printed 1 and I value is changed to 2. So this is all about our storage class. We'll do a lot of examples so it will be more clear. So basically static variable will be used lots of times, and extern will not be given. It will be outside the main program, and you have to understand that it is external variable only. So that's about storage class.